Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to export ChatGPT conversations as a PDF file. So I have this random document right here, and first of all we're going to go on the Chrome Web Store and type in ChatGPT exporter. I'm going to search, make sure you're in extensions tab, and you're going to choose this first one. Add the Chrome, add extension, and now just wait for it to add. It should be instant. Alright, now that that is done, we're going to go back to ChatGPT and refresh the page. And once we've refreshed the page, you can see right here we have these two options. You can choose select, you can choose everything, the questions, the answers, or none. I don't know why that is there, but okay. And we're going to choose all, export, and there you go. Now it's in a .md file, but if we want to change that to, let's say, PDF, you can do that. Choose the portrait and everything, generate, and there we go. We have now downloaded the whole conversation as a PDF. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.